Welcome guys to our recipe for today. So today we're gonna learn how to make chicken tagine with lemon and olives, as you see. Hope you enjoy our recipe. Hi everyone, welcome to Morocco Spices, Khadija's special way. So today we're gonna present the tagine, the very traditional Moroccan tagine, and it's called like chicken tagine with lemon and olives. So this is the tagine we're gonna use. So first of all, we'll put our chickens in the tagine. Okay, so you can use as much, 4 pieces for 4 people, but like you can use more, it depends how many people are in the family. So with this I will add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, so here again, so 4 tablespoons. Okay, so 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Then 1 teaspoon of salt. So just put it over. Okay, then now we're gonna saute a little bit over the stove. With this we'll need 2 cloves of garlic, 1 big onion. You chop it the way you want. So for the spices we need here 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Some olives, they are optional if you don't want them, or if you don't like them you can do without. 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley and cilantro, and this is pickled lemon. So we'll take our tagine to the stove. So once our oil heated up, we'll start like flipping our chicken. And we'll let them for 2 minutes. Okay, so after our 2 minutes, we'll add like half of the onion, just half of it. Okay. Then our spices, so all the spices. Then garlic. Okay. Then 1 tablespoon of parsley and cilantro. So these are like 2 heaping tablespoons, so we're gonna add 1 now. Okay. And 1 later. So once we mix everything, and we'll try to put the onion in the bottom because we have some other onions that we can put in the top. So after again 2 minutes or so. Okay, so after 5 minutes like of flipping and all like the ingredients get mixed together, we'll add the rest of the onion. Okay, and don't just try to fix it. Get it all over. And parsley and cilantro. And then we'll add some water. So just half cup of water. Okay. And once it starts boiling, we'll move it to a very low heat and we'll leave it on for about 45 minutes. Chicken are easy to cook, so 45 minutes is enough for it to cook in a very low heat. The last thing we're gonna add now is pickled lemon. Now our pickled lemon. So just like try to decorate your tagine with pickled lemon. So like this. And now we'll let it boil. So once it starts boiling, as I said, we have to move it to a very low heat for about 45 minutes. Then after that we can add like olives at the very end, like 5 minutes before it's done you can add olives. So see you once it's all done. And of course we'll cover. Okay. Okay guys, so our tagine is boiling. See, this is how it looks like. So now I'm gonna put it in very low heat. As I said, 45 minutes. Then bon appetit. So our tagine is cooked and this is how it looks like. Very delicious. And it's better if there is no juice in it left. So just little, it gives it like a very good taste. Thank you so much for watching with me and hope you enjoy my recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and share if you like my recipe, and see you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.